Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the taillight on a Honda CRZ. And the first thing we are going to do is we're going to pop this cap off here using a small flathead screwdriver, and we're just going to pry out on the top and pop this cap off. And then behind there is two Phillips screws that we need to remove using a Phillips screwdriver. And then go ahead and get a hold of the back of the taillight and just pull directly back on it, and it just pops it right out. And then come around to the side, and there's this plug here. Just pull out on the plug, and in behind there is the wiring harness that we need to unplug. Just push on the tab and just pull on the plug and it'll release. And that is it, guys. That's how you remove your taillight. Thanks for watching.